right, you should see my screen. Okay. Yeah, basically, as we announced in the last couple of meetings, we were busy implementing the functions, runner, runtime for Python and containers. And now I would like to show you a really quick demo for that. So basically, we are in the sample app directory within our repository, and there we have added a Python task. So let's first look at that. So here we have the Keptn task definition, and this is pretty similar to the previous JavaScript definitions that we also had, with the difference that we now have this Python object where you have basically the same capabilities you had as in the JavaScript runtime. So you can either directly insert the code for your Python script, or as we did in this case here, we are referencing a URL. So let's have a very short look. So this is a really powerful script that basically reads the data environment variable, cannot talk today, and prints it. And yeah, and in this case, just for the sake of demoing this, that we can also do this, we are adding the secure parameters by referencing the secret here, where we have some secure data, and this will be executed in the pre-deployment phase, I believe, of the Keptn app. Yeah, exactly. So here in the Keptn app in version 3, for example, we have 2 pre-deployment tasks. One is the Python secret task that we want to execute, and the second one is a container sleep task. So let's have a really quick look at that one. So this is the newly introduced container runtime. So here we specify the container object in the Keptn task definition, and here we say which image we would like to use. In this case, we're using BusyBox, and we just want to execute a simple shell command. And now let's deploy what we have here. All right. Deployment has been started, and now if we look at K9S, we should see the pods coming up. So first of all, the pods for the application are started, and hopefully soon we should see the pods for the tasks. Here they are. And yeah, let's have a look at the log. So here we have our super secure token printed out by the Python function that we wrote, and likewise in the container function we print out this beautiful hello message. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this demo.